People living near a Cleveland steel mill claim they are getting sick, but who's to blame? 19 Action News investigates.
New Orleans Mayor Ray Nagin back in the... Neighbors of a Cleveland Steel Corporation say the company is pumping out a lot of pollution and making them sick. Tonight at 11, 19 Action News reporter Blake Chenault tries to find out if those neighbors have a case. He's live now with the story.
Yeah, well, most of us drive by this plant every day and don't give a second thought to what's coming out of the smokestacks, but believe me, there's a lot more than just smoke coming out of those stacks, and the company doesn't want you to know about it. The Metal Corporation is the world's largest producer of steel, but the Ohio EPA says it's easily the largest polluter in Cuyahoga County. Just ask Denise Denham, who lives downwind.
It's just nasty coming out here every day, having to wipe everything off. If it's not the soot and the dirt, it's the metal flakes, the smell. It smells so bad half the time that I wind up getting migraines.
Metal Steel is also owned by one of the world's richest men. But Mr. Mittal, as he likes to be called, apparently doesn't know what it's like to live next to one of his plants.
Mr. Mittal lives in the most expensive residence on earth, which is in London, England. It's 2 residents combined. He reportedly has a jewel-encrusted swimming pool. Beautiful area, of course. But the people who live next to his plant here in Cleveland are dealing daily with metal raining down on their houses, and most importantly with fine particles soot in the air that can trigger asthma, make kids sick.
So what's coming out of these stacks? According to the EPA, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, carbon monoxide, lead and mercury, to name just a few dangerous chemicals.
Cancer-causing or respiratory, they can cause respiratory problems like asthma.
Me and my family get headaches. My kids break out in hives. There's days that we're really sick at our stomach.
In the last 2 years, thousands of these letters have been sent to Metal Steel. They are complaints from men, women, and children who all want Metal to clean up its operations.
25,000 letters, and they have not received one reply.
So we went looking for answers, but got none. Can you speak on behalf of Metal Steel?
No, I cannot.
Can you provide us with somebody that can?
I will.
All right, we'll wait then. Thank you.
We don't have any available at this time.
You don't have anybody available at this time?
That's correct.
The cloth on the right was hung on the porch of the homeowner who lived next to the metal plant. Compare it to the clean one on the left, and you get a better idea of what folks are complaining about.
I'm worried about the kids' health, what's going to happen with them. I'm worried about my own health.
The ideal situation, Metal Steel would comply with all government rules and regulations as well as becoming a good neighbor. That would require substantial updates to the plant. We're talking about multi-million-dollar improvements, but by all accounts, the company's owner can certainly afford it. In Cleveland, Blake Chenault, 19 Action News.
All right, well, we're concerned about our weekend forecast, and there's some rain.